Today on the Luxur review, we're going to do a little bit of Luxur refreshing to this 2000 Lincoln Town Car. It's got a little bit of fading in the seats. I'm going to show you how to undo a little bit of green there. You see a little bit of green coming through there. And of course on this side, you can see all that. It's all going to come out. I'll show you how to do it perfectly using regular old spray paint, $3 rags, towels, and this lacquer thinner, and it's going to look brand new. So that's what we're doing today on the Luxur Refresh. Earlier, we're going to get the fading there. It's a greenish color. It'll help refresh that. There's also some more on the other side. Another video I'm going to show you how to fix all that. And then there's some chipped paint on the hood. I'll show you that later in a separate video. This is just regular old paint, all-in-one paint and primer. It matches the seat pretty well. You see the lid. That looks about right. As close as I could find. And all you want to do, shake it up well, and then spray it right there. Take it. Wish I had someone to hold this for me. You want to fold that to the inside. Want to put some of the primer on there, lacquer thinner on there. All right, you want to take it and just dab. Doesn't take much. You see the green there starting to show through. Get that covered up. It's easy. It's the first time I've ever did it. Alright, I'm gonna get some more paint on there. Alright, let's continue on. See a little bit of green coming through there. This will not stain your shirts, pants, coats, whatever. Flip it over where some more paint is. And I'll bring you back to the video after I get through with this, show you the results. And you may have to go over your area that you have done more than once. You may see brush strokes, or you have to, learning the process. Maybe you need more paint, less paint. Maybe you don't need to put any paint. Maybe you need more lacquer, things like that. But for the most part, it looks pretty good. And you can see a little bit of difference right there. You're not going to get a factory finish. I mean, the only thing's going to get factory finish is the factory. But, if you just work with it a little bit, it takes 10-15 minutes. Your seats are going to look pretty good. We'll go up to the other side. There was some green showing through on the seams and some on the right here area, a little bit of green coming through. You see a little bit of green still coming through there. Gonna get that. I touched up a little bit down there. And that's why you may need to do it again with more lacquer, is that, you know, a little bit down there where the seatbelt rubs, if that side's got it. No. A little bit like right there, just where a lot of friction and stuff. If your armrest is discolored, I would do this, but see how cracked it up it is. I'm gonna fix that. And just little stuff like that, help cover it up. So it's pretty easy. Well, that is it, guys. A short video on how to redo your leather seats. Not redo them, but to fix the fading or anything like that. I fixed that spot where the seat belt had been rubbing. Looks like you can't even see it. This seat here almost looks new. Now I wish the paint could be a slightly bit darker if I put a little bit more effort in looking for the paint. If I went to 2 or 3 different stores looking for it, or if I was doing this for a customer, of course I would really stress to find, even maybe even start, you know, mixing a little bit, try to get it. But that is it. We're gonna do a video on the paint chips. This one's got quite a few. The way the hood's shaped and everything, the rocks like to just, you know, go long ways. It's not terrible. There is some scraping on the bumper. Of course, this was a senior citizen's car before I got it, and you know how they can be at times. Try to do some of that. There is some marks down here. Some cracking going on.